Today we're going to install the exhaust and intake variable valve timing solenoids on this 2011 BMW 328i. Alright, so both of these are the same part number. Here we have it. It's both the same part number for the intake and the exhaust. You can see it here, the top one and the bottom one. Honestly, I don't know which one's which, but we are going to replace the intake and the exhaust. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. But let's go ahead and plug this pigtail right into here. I might need two hands because this one's acting up like a snake. Alright, just get it in there and go ahead and clip that down. This one goes at the bottom, right in here. Perfect. And we'll just try to line it up as best as possible and try to squeeze that in. It does have that front seal, so that's what makes it a little tight, but there it is, kind of lined up. Let's go ahead and put the other one as well. I think the other one's intake, this one's exhaust. I could be wrong. The lines are coming in from this way, so that might be the exhaust, and the lines are coming from this way, so that might be the intake. So let's go ahead and grab this pigtail and do the same process here. And this just clips into place, and to release it you just press this middle piece down and you push this out, then you're able to get it off. But we're gonna install it, so let's go ahead and stick this right up in there, wiggle it back and forth, get it in there. Alright, and now we're going to try to put on both of the screws there. Put the bottom one first, then the second one. Alright, there's the first one. Now we're going to do the second one. That's right up here. This one's a little bit trickier because you can't really see the hole, and you have to kind of align the bracket with the hole to be able to screw it in. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'm still at it. Alright, there, we finally got it in. I'm telling you, this top one's a little bit tricky. Now we're gonna grab our 10mm socket and we're gonna go ahead and secure these down using the ratchet. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and do the top one now. Perfect. Let's go ahead and get these boxes out of here. Let's bring this back over here. Let's put the two the Allen wrench screws that go right in here. And it looks like it is a size CRV5. Go ahead and screw these on, and the other one as well. Alright, there it is. Now let's just clean up all our parts. Get the old ones out, and we'll give it a try. And that's how you install the new solenoids on a 2011 BMW 328i. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Make sure you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button, please.
Look at that beast right there.
Yeah.